Hey, cyber folks, here's a quick video on part 2 if you got stuck. So on part 2 you're going to do tasks 8 through 10, 14, and 15. So you're going to skip 11 through 13 for various reasons. Alright, so if you're going through here, the hints are pretty good. You know, you're going to decode as long as you can find one with base 58. You're cool on that. That's not hard. This one tells you that it's going to be a rot type twist. And it already kind of looks like it, right? So you just got to keep, rot is short for rotating. Oh, you could rotate or you could Caesar cipher it. Oh, interesting. You should look that one up as a code breaking thing. This one's a little tough. It says in here, check the HTML. I think I showed you how to look for that. It says make a comment, no ciphered or encoded text. Remember when you open or view page source here, right? You can search in here with Control F for THM. Yeah, it's got no, those aren't it. Shoot, that one didn't find it. Wonder if here, let me go back here. Wonder if you can do, because if you can do inspect, I don't think you guys can do inspect. You might have to check this one out with me. Because on this part, I like to use the arrow here. Then I do Control F and then do THM. No, I didn't find it. Let me use the arrow. Close that down. Arrow, click somewhere on here. There we go. It's in here somewhere. There's a flag in here somewhere in the HTML code. This is the same stuff you get with inspect page source, but inspect page source you have to see a lot more. Let me see. There's that, there's that, there's that. There we go. There we go. Flag. Oh, here's another one. Always check the comments. So it's in there. That one was a little harder. Is there another one? No. Okay. Okay, yeah. That's the comment one. So that one, I don't know if you can do that on your Chromebook because it blocks inspect element, but it lets you inspect the whole page. The problem with that is, or view page source, the problem with that is this is a lot bigger to look at than the other one. And it's probably in here somewhere. But it's just harder to find. It doesn't let you look as easily as the other ones. So anyway, good times, good times. Okay, so number 10 might have been hard. So 8, 9, 10. You're going to skip 11, 12, 13 for, they're just, some of them aren't accessible with our Chromebooks. And then you're going to finish with 14, 15. So you're like 14. This one's a little hard at first, but if you, you know, notice this XOR decoder, you can crack this thing as long as you are using these two separate pieces for your XOR encoder. I wonder, in my little thing here, I think I have one that does XOR encoders. Probably in, let's check decode. I want to try this site out, the French site. You can read it in French or not. Right now it's on Caesar cipher, but I want XOR. XOR cipher. Let's try this one. Okay. So in here, I want to copy paste this code. I might have this reversed, by the way. Might have this reversed. Paste. And then your key will be whatever this binary key is in TryHackMe. Binaries, ones and zeros. So let's see if this does it. It might not, it might. Let's try that encrypt, decrypt. Ew, that doesn't look good. Ugh. Oh, it knows I have a ad blocker on here. Boo. Alright, let's go to Cyber Chef. That's what I get. I bet Cyber Chef has an XOR in here. XOR. There we go. XOR. Let's put our input in here. Our input. Oh man. So I'm going to take this puppy, plop it in here. Cyber Chef. Plop it in there. Let's try an XOR to hex. What if I wanted my key as binary? And then I go grab the binary key. Try that out. I don't know. Maybe it'll work. I wonder if it will. Nope. What if I switch those out? Ooh. Any of these in here? It just seemed to try them all with brute force. What if I control F for THM on here? Where is it? Oh, no, that's not really there. I think I need to, what if I change that to hex? I don't think I see it in here. Control F. My THM. No, still not there. Must not be this. If I just start doing this. These should work, shouldn't it? Yeah, none of those look right. Ooh, my numbers got smaller. Let me try to figure this out. It is something with our XOR. Just got to figure out which one it is. What if I did the other way around? What if I put this in here? Yeeks, that doesn't look right. I put the other code in here. There's something. Forget how to solve this one, but you gotta have a challenge every now and then, you know. Try that. Ooh, these are looking closer. Yeah, that's looking crazy, right? Okay, what if I change this thing now? Looking for a THM here. There's gotta be something else I can do. XOR, no. Shoot. I'll try something else. Let's look ahead at 15. 15. Exfiltrate my file. Hint. Bin walk. I don't know what a bin walk is. Does CyberChef have a bin walk? Let's try bin. Oh, that's probably binary. Walk. Let me try walk. Let's check out this binary here. Extra. Oh, we have to download the file. So this file is a JPEG. Ooh, it's like raw sewage. Nice. So a couple things I like to do with these files. Sometimes I will open them with this viewer and see if there's any data in here. So I can like choose that file. You can do the same thing here. Open the file, hit submit, and then see if anything happens. What? Did anything happen? Open, upload. Oh, there we go. We hit upload. And there's all sorts of stuff in here now. Sometimes I don't like reading through this, so I'll Control F and do THM. But I don't see any in here, so must not be that. So maybe it's the other one, the hidden thing in an image. And I can choose my file, grab the hell file, and submit. See if I can find something. No, I can't find it in there. What is it? What is it? Exfiltrate. That feels like I could. Well, let me check that out. Okay. So my issue on 14 was I want to do an XOR. I know it is. Problem is CyberChef wasn't as good as this guy. So this other French site is better for XOR. So you type in XOR. Right, hit go. We'll go there. And we want to paste in this code here. And instead of trying to do anything with this S2, easier would be to brute force where it tests everything. So basically, instead of using that key, I can do this and look over here. You can just search through here until you find the flag. It's kind of cool. It does everything. So you'll search through here. You'll eventually find the flag in one of those. Good stuff, man. And don't worry about number 15. It doesn't work right. I think the file's corrupted or I don't know what. But anyway, try that out. Hope that helps.